Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 9. We will presentation about listening making prediction. Okay, let me introduce our group. My name is Dina Agustina and my team Eka Yunita. Okay, first material will be presented by Eka Yunita. Time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Eka Yunita of Group 9. We will explain the material about listening or making predictions. Okay, on the first, predictions. A prediction is a guess. We make predictions all the time in our daily lives. The process and then using that to make a guess about what will happen next. A prediction is an activity learners carry out before reading or listening to a text, where they predict what they are going to hit or read. This gives them a reason to listen or read as they confirm or reject their predictions. Okay, listening. Listening is receiving language, a talk, the talks the ears. Listening involves identifying the sounds of speech and processing them into a words and sentence. When we listen, we ask our ears to receive individual sounds, letters, straights, rhythm, and pauses. And we ask our brain to confirm that this into message that means something to us. Okay, next. Making the predictions. Making prediction allows you to guess what will happen next. The process also involves using prior knowledge as well as relying on clues. Okay, next. Prior knowledge, available knowledge about a topic. Okay, the topic is the main point of the entire text to be presented, or better knowledge known by the topic of conversations. The topic was the first thing determined when the other words makes the writing. Okay, context. Context is the conditions which a circumstance occur. Context is a part of the descriptions or phrase that can support or enhance the clarity of a situation. Take relates to an event, and a scenario is a specific possibility. Okay, the material next will be presented by Dina Agustina.
The next explanation will be presented by me. Okay, clues are the something that guides through an intricate procedure or mass of difficulties, specifically a page of evidence that leads one toward the solution of a problem. Clues can be obtained through the following ways. Speaker's tone. Tone is the attitude of the narrator speaker, and mood is the emotion or feeling that a speech gives to readers. While those two things are different, they do share a close relationship because author tone often leads the mood that reader experience. And the word used is an instruction for us of word used by a speaker in listening. And then the emoticon express. Emoticon express is the use of sayings or emoticon for expression of speaker, or usually on reading, while instruction in listening may be knowledge by others. Listen to and identify specific types of context clues, namely synonym, antonym, definition, example, contrast and comparison and inference to assist you to use the information around unknown word or expression in a speech to predict meaning. Context clues are the words, phrase, and sentence surrounding unfamiliar word or an expression that give clues or hints to its meaning. Learning specific types of context clues will assist you to use the information around the unknown word or expression to infer its meaning, its spoken situation. And at the end of this presentation, I will explain about 5 types context clues, and they are listed. 1. Synonym and antonym. Synonym are words that means the same or almost the same. This word will help to understand the meaning of the unfamiliar word that may be spoken. Antonym. Similarity can guess the meaning of an familiar word in the sentence. A trait provide an antonym. And then definition of the word may something be embedded in the spoken text help you understand the meaning of word. And an example is something that is typically of the group of things that is member of. And then contrast. Contrast is something the meaning of word can be deduced by listening to contrast words that appear in the spoken text. And then comparison in spoken text or conversation. Comparison can be made to give you an idea what the speaker wishes to express. And then inferences are steps in reasoning, moving from premises to logical consequences. Etymologically, the word inference to carry forward. Inferences in the theoretically and then traditionally divided into deduction and induction in distinction that in Euro that's at last to Aristotle. Okay, that's all for my explanation. And then for our group, thank you for your attention. Do you have any question? You can ask in the e-learning. And then the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.